Hey guys, welcome back to the Talented House of Beauty. Today I'm making chicken Alfredo, and I'm making it with carrots, chicken. I'm making it with drumsticks. I ain't want to make it with any chicken breast or any ground turkey or anything like that. So I'm making it with drumsticks. I have carrots, and I'm putting some broccoli inside of it. And I got my noodles. I got my chicken cooking. This is the way I'm making my chicken. I took it off the bones and I'm making it in the pot. Look at that. And I have I'm steaming my broccoli, and that's my broccoli steaming. And the best stuff on earth, I have my Ragu Classic Alfredo. And I'm gonna add some, as I was saying in my previous video, I cook a lot with seasoning salt. So today I'm gonna be using some, let me see, some black pepper, some adobo, garlic pepper, garlic powder, and some oregano. And I'm gonna put a splash of onion powder in it too. And my noodles is done. I'm trying to think. Yeah, and I'm at the Talented House of Beauty, having a beautiful day. I wasn't feeling all that. I mean, I was feeling good earlier, but I haven't ate, so. And as you can see, I'm breaking out a little bit, so I have to definitely wash my face with my soap. I'll I know I'll be back with a video on how I wash my face and what soap I use. This is my baby Luck. Say hi, Luck. Hi, Lucky. Hi, Lucky. Look at him. When I tell you this dog, oh my God, he's like life. He give me life. Give me life. I love him. He's such a loyal dog. He's a Yorkie party, and I wouldn't trade him in for the world. I love this dog. But yeah, I'll be back with a video on in my grind ponytails. You know, the grind is over for now. For now. So the grind ponytails is coming out today. Yay! I don't know how I'm gonna do my hair next, but yeah. I'll be making, yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll come back with the finish of my chicken Alfredo.